Let me introduce how to use fake location. Very important step 1 is to open the developer mode. But how to open the developer mode? First, find your phone settings. Tap it. Swipe down. Find the About Device option. Here it is. Sometimes it's About Phone in Android phone. Type it. Find the version option. Type it again. Here's the build number. Usually you need to type it many times. And then input your screen password. Right now, you're in the developer mode. But how to change your phone's location? Let's open the fake location app. Type it. Tap the Start Fake. Then it will appear Permission Required. Tap the red button, go to Set. Swipe down. Find the option Select Mark Location App. Here it is. Choose the fake location. Let's go back to the home page again. Right now you can change your place to anywhere you want to be. Type Set Location. Put the pointer to anywhere you want to be. And now I put it in the United States. Confirm location. Start Fake. Let's go to see the maps. Right now, I'm in the United States. Look it carefully. I will say it again. Let's go back to the fake location. Tap Set Location again. Put the pointer in. This time I put it in Canada. Confirm location. Start Fake. Let's go see the maps again. Right now I'm in Canada. Do you know it?